Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. Today I want to show you how you can use some scrap gold to make a very cute and easy pendant. So let's get started. And all you need here is your torch. So simply start melting everything. And as you can see, if you move your flame, the metal will follow. And you can melt everything together. If you take off your flame very gently, you will be left with a piece like this. There is some boraxine on here from my soldering plate, so I am going to put this in the pickle solution so I don't damage my tools. And now I'll just put a dot in the middle with a black marker. And if I place my design at the center of this dot, I should be fine. So let's try again. And as you can see, this time it's perfect. So this is going to go onto a ring. I have this silver chain here, which I will darken in some patina. And this is also known as a liver of sulfur. So I'm making sure that everything really is under there. And as you can see, this will turn black immediately. And when you're done, rinse it under some cold running water and run over here with a piece of silver cloth. And I really like the shape of this pendant, that it's not perfectly finished, the combination with the black and silver. And as you could see in this video, it's such an easy way to reuse some scrap metal. Because of course, if you can make this in gold, you can use silver as well. And onto this one, the little nugget with the letter E in it. I did give the ring itself a couple of whacks with a hammer as well, just to take it a bit away from being too perfectly round. And I think it's such a simple way to make a unique piece of jewelry.